St. Patrick's get the ball. Took no chance whatsoever. Plays it forward, but free kick taken, but straight to the goalkeeper. No problems whatsoever. Did ever so well to manage it in control. Plays it forward. Chance! He fumbles! Lucky enough. A big layoff for them. And it's free kick taken straight to the goalkeeper. Once again, it's fumbling. But nothing happened in the end. He did it exactly that. But he should have done it a little too earlier. Richie. Indeed, he went for the shot, and it was worse goalkeeping. Long range effort, but that was off target. Look at that. Richie gets it. It was neither a shot, not a cross, but the goalkeeper had no clue whatsoever. Now it's a nice pass. Will this be the goal? Again, the goalkeeper. Both the teams played very poorly in the first 45 minutes. There was no serious shot except that free kick opportunity, which could trouble the goalkeeper. And that goes the whistle from the referee. It has been a goalless here at the Nehru Park between MCC High Secondary. Done. Now it's MCC. This is much better from MCC. Good 1-2 chance. Nicely defended. Good 1-2. Turns. Very nicely turns as well. Now he should go for a shot. He goes for a shot, and that goes the first goal. At last, this game gets a goal. Look at that. Another opportunity, and once again he fumbled. MCC plays it forward. Will this be the second goal? He takes the shot! Now another chance. Will this be the second goal? Yes, it is. One thing is for sure. Well, another chance. Will this be the third goal? Once again, he failed to. Well, a forward ball intended. Well, that's the third goal. St. Patrick. Will he go for a shot from there? He goes for a shot, but that was off target. Well, nicely dribbled past. In swing floater, needed a chance to score a goal. Well, had that been on target, it could have been the first goal for them. We're standing over the ball. Harish! That was a poor penalty kick, but that was worse from the goalkeeper. Now again, this is MCC. Attacking from the left. Good skills. Well, he is on a hat-trick, takes a shot, and he completes his hat-trick. Eventually, he wins the ball again. Nice dribble. Will he go for a shot? He goes just wide of the second post. The final. Now they're still with the ball. Good turn. Will he go for a shot? He takes the shot, and that's the fifth goal. What a finish that was. It has been a one-sided show in the second half. He scored as many as 5 goals. Long range effort, and that's another goal. This is a fine finish, but even worse goalkeeping once again. We're just waiting for the final whistle. And that goes the final whistle from the referee. It's another goal fest.